ever felt utterly lost after a painful breakup, singer Kat Burns knows that feeling all too well, uh, um, beyond the captivating world of the Celebrity Traitors. Uh, she's navigated personal heartbreak and loss, emerging stronger on the other side. Uh, Kat recently shared her experiences following a split from her girlfriend, Jody Rocket. Um, and there wasn't just the end of a relationship, but a period of intense emotional upheaval compounded by the loss of her grandfather. Um, uh, for Kat, this time represented a pivotal moment. One point, would she succumb to the pain or rise above it? It was a question that weighed heavily on her as she grappled with grief and heartbreak. Um, she channeled her emotions into her music, finding solace and strength in creativity. Uh, and then the process became a form of healing and allowing her to process her feelings and move forward as well. Uh, Kat and Jody had built a loving relationship since 2021, often sharing glimpses of their life together online. Uh, um, the breakup marked a significant change, leaving Kat feeling adrift. She described the experience as a defining one, facing heartbreak and loss for the first time. It was a test of resilience, a moment that could either break you or make you stronger. Kat felt lost in the aftermath, unsure if she could overcome the pain. She questioned whether she'd ever feel whole again, but ultimately, she found the strength to persevere. And while she remains private about her current romantic life, Kat expressed hope for the future, believing in the possibility of finding love again. Um, she previously shared the depth of her heartbreak on Jamie Lang's podcast, um, describing the experience as profoundly painful. Um, she honestly admitted to feeling as though she might not survive the experience. Um, the singer described a raw and intense emotional experience, detailing the overwhelming pain of a breakup. But it was that comes after hand insensitive. And what's similar to this maybe considering my first video. And she said, Kat's newfound fame on the Celebrity Traitors has introduced her to a wider audience, but her journey extends far beyond the castle walls. She's also preparing to shine on the dance floor of Strictly Come Dancing. She's embracing new opportunities, balancing her music career with her television appearances. Uh, it's a testament to her versatility and determination. Uh, but the show isn't without its funny moments. Um, Kat recently confessed to not knowing who Helen Mirren was during a challenge that found health definecies. Um, Talk about a plot twist. Fans were shocked by the revelation, taking to social media to express their amusement. It just goes to show that even celebrities have their blind spots. As the Celebrity Traitors nears its finale, viewers are on the edge of their seats trying to decipher who the remaining traitors are. And the tension is building, and the stakes are high. With each episode, the game becomes more complex, and the remaining contestants must rely on their instincts and intuition. It's a battle of wits and deception. So whether she's deceiving fellow celebrities or sharing her personal story, Kat Burns continues to captivate audiences with her talent and authenticity. Um, and remember, even the most cunning traitors have a heart. Speaking of hearts, why did the heartbroken traitor cross the castle grounds to get to the other side of the heartbreak? With that said, thanks for watching, and till next time.